Hello children. So today I will start with you all from the milestone book, that is chapter 1 of civics, democracy. This is Priyanka Sania from TIGPS Siliguri. So I would like to start with the chapter. So let us start with the chapter, that is democracy. So basically, what is democracy? Democracy means the term democracy is derived from two Greek words which means rule or government. Democracy means, in according to the Greek literature or Greek word, it means rule or government. So what is the history behind democracy? Like in our country India, democracy was not existing a long years ago. Democracy came through the evolvement or through the evolution or through the development of from the history. So if we look back, what is the history behind democracy? So it has evolved through ages. Around 6th century BC, India was witnessing the democracy in the form of small states which was known as Mahajanapadas. And you have read what is a Mahajanapada in the Magad state, in 6th century BC, when the Magad rule was there, Mahajanapadas was introduced, and you all know what is Mahajanapadas. Now, what about in Greek city? In Greek city of Athens also, there was a rule that in all male population formed a body which was known as assembly. And now in our modern times we have our assembly. So it was derived from this Greek city only, from Greece, which is from Greece, a place called Athens, and it is known as assembly. And they participated in the decision making process directly. So what are the more events which brought changes in the democracy? What is the more events in history? Let us take a look in the more in the history. What is there? That in Britain, during a long time, when Britain was the rulership, where the Magna Carta was introduced in the Britain court, and Magna Carta is a document where it limited the power of the kings. Now, North America also was under the Britain rule, Britain colonization. It got independence in 1776, and after gaining independence, like India only, they drew a democratic constitution which was in 1787. And what happened? In the new government in USA, they adopted a bill for North America which is known as the rights, which granted Bill of Rights, which granted civil rights to the citizens. Civil rights to its citizens means giving each and every right to the citizens of America. That is known as civil rights. Like our India, we have our own civil rights. Rights to give vote, rights to express freedom of speech. So like this, in 1787, in the Democratic Constitution of North America, civil rights was granted. Now, in France, during 1789, similar to Britain assembly, the kings and the nobles' power were limited, and the power was transferred to the common people, where the common people declared themselves as republic. So this was the history behind democracy from different regions like North America, Britain, obviously the India, and France. So I hope you have understood what is democracy and what is the history behind the democracy, the concept of democracy from different countries, how it has evolved. So students, I hope you have understood the video. Thank you. We'll meet you soon in next video.